Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix fans not working on your YouTube. You just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window here like you say, and you just go down, you click here on apps, then you come to apps. When you click here on apps, you come to apps window here like you say, and you just go down here. We go to looking for YouTube app here in this is window. We will just keep going here, and we click here on YouTube. Then you come to next window here like you say app info, and we will click here on force stop. Then you just click here on OK, and you click here on storage. Then you come to storage window here like you say, and you click here on clear cache. Then you click here on clear data, and you just turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you are get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video about all YouTube settings.